First Warning Weather with meteorologist Tommy House.
All right, hope you all had a great day today. Here's Bee Cave courtesy of Covert Bee Cave Auto Mall. You can see the majestic capture here, the sun rays beaming down from the rain showers that are on the horizon. We've seen some on and off sprinkles through central Texas this afternoon into the evening hours. Big picture clouds and radar, dry lines firing up a few severe storms in western Texas, taking you on in for a more local view through the 15 counties that I'm watching. Up in Milam County, this is west of I-35 to Burnett, Llano, and Lampasas. Just a few tiny light showers, non-severe, no lightning detected. These shouldn't bring too much of a disruption to your evening plans. They should scatter as well in the coming few hours. Now, next 24 hours temperature-wise, going from the upper 70s at 8-9 p.m. back down to the low 70s tomorrow morning. Starting off your Sunday from the 70s to the mid to upper 80s and even low 90s by the afternoon hours. Here's your day planner. Some overcast conditions to start. By noon, 80 degrees, and by 4 p.m., 88. We'll have decreasing cloud cover like today throughout the second half of your weekend. You can find your city here, high temperatures, upper 80s, low 90s. Strong southerly flow will keep the dew points in the 60s and 70s, so another muggy day. Our normal high is 82, so expected to be a warmer than normal afternoon temperature. As far as clouds and radar is concerned, a few sprinkles will fizzle out by around 8-9 o'clock tonight, and then we'll get some clearing for the most part. Out in the hill country, I'm keeping a 10% rain chance because that dry line I showed you about a minute ago or so could fire up again. A few thunderstorms that could work their way farther east, so by around midnight, late tonight into early tomorrow morning, out toward Mason County and Gillespie, could see a brief shower or thunderstorm. Then that winds down. 2 a.m. more cloud cover builds in. 4, 5, 6 a.m. mostly cloudy skies, and then watch what happens. Just like today, some decrease in cloud cover through the late morning. Here's 12 p.m. tomorrow, lunchtime plans, mostly sunny skies. Rain chances at 0 for Sunday and Monday, picking up Tuesday, especially Wednesday. I'm watching Wednesday for a front to move through. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, a stormy pattern continues. Storm Prediction Center for Monday keeps all the action in western Texas and toward the Panhandle. Big picture, level 4 out of 5 severe weather up toward Iowa and portions of the Midwest. By Tuesday, that severe threat slowly drops down to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, up I-35 to Waco by midweek. So, therefore, it's a little bit close to home, so we'll have to keep an eye on the severe weather trends there. Rainfall totals 1 to 2 inches north of Austin through the next few days, and then south of Austin, but a 1/4 of an inch to an inch. A healthy rain. We need as much as we can get. All right, here's a KXAN First Warning Weather 7-day forecast. Low 90s on Sunday and Monday. The rain train continues. Scattered showers and thunderstorms Tuesday. 70% rain chance on Wednesday. The front moves in and we'll go from the 90s still to the 80s. Not much of a cold front there temperature-wise, but starting on Tuesday, we'll be watching the radar here very closely at the First Warning Weather Center.